Welcome to Next Steps.
Okay, good evening to everyone. Today we are going to see Class 10 CBSE NCERT solution from the Chapter 8. The Chapter 8 is Introduction to Trigonometry. Under this chapter, we are going to see first sum from the exercise 8.1. The first sum is in triangle ABC, right angled at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine the first subdivision is sin A cos A. The second subdivision is sin C and cos C. So before solving the problem, first we should aware about the formula that we are going to use. So here we have to find what is the sin A and what is the cos A. The second subdivision we have to find what is the sin C and what is the cos C. So before that, we will draw one diagram. So here I am going to draw a triangle with right angle at B. So your right angle means the angle should be 90 degree. So here this angle I am going to take this as an theta. So here I am just drawing a triangle. So I am going to give the name as an A, B and C. So here with respect to theta, the AB part will be the adjacent side. So with respect to theta, your BC part will be opposite. So I can simply write it as an opposite side. And which is one remaining one. Your AC is one remaining one, and this part will be called as an hypotenuse. So when you are solving the problem, first you have to draw your diagram, and in the diagram, if any part or any any region is mentioned as right angle mean, just we have to draw the diagram like this. So here this is the thing. Now we have to see what is the formula for sin theta. Your sin theta is none other than your opposite side divided by hypotenuse. The sine will be called as sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, but due to some space constraint just have written as an opposite. And when you are finding for an cos theta, the cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So I'm in short, instead of mentioning as an adjacent side, just I am mentioning as an adjacent. Now we are going to see what is meant by tan theta. Tan theta. The tan theta is very simple. It's all about your opposite side divided by adjacent side. So when you are solving the problem, first thing what we have to do means first we have to construct a triangle, and then based on the values what we have to do, just we have to fix the values, and after that we have to apply the formula and we have to find out the terms that we are supposed to find. Clear? Now we will go to the problem straight away. In the problem what I mentioned, in a right angle triangle, in the triangle ABC, it is right angled at B. AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, and we have to determine sin A and cos A. That is your first subdivision. First we will solve the first subdivision. So here what I mentioned, they mentioned that triangle ABC. Just I am mentioning the ABC. Here what I mentioned, it is right angled at B. So I am marking this point as an B. I am making the B as a right angled one. So here they mentioned that AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. The first thing what you have to find, we have to find sin A and cos A. So here they mentioned that sin A mean we have to mention the theta part with respect to A. So here they clearly mentioned as sin A and cos A. So here what I have to do? I have to mention the theta with respect to A. So I can write like this: A, B and C. A, B and C. And now in the first subdivision what they given, we have to find what is the sine A and what is the cos A. So if they mention as in sine A and cos A mean, what we have to do? First we have to draw a right angle triangle, and it clearly they mentioned as it is right angle at B. So I am making the B as a right angle. So here they clearly mentioned that sine A and cos A. So here I am going to make A with respect to theta. So A, B and C. In the question what they given? They given AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. And you don't know what is the value for AC. The AC is none other than your hypotenuse part. So as the AC is unknown, first I am going to fix the value as an x. First I have to find out what is the value of x. To find out the value of x, so here what I am going to do is just I am going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem represent? Your opposite hypotenuse side, hypotenuse square will be equal to square of the opposite side plus square of the adjacent side. Square of the adjacent side. So here AC represents the hypotenuse side. So what is the representation I am using? As it was an unknown value, just I am going to use the symbol x. So I am mentioning as an x. Here as it was a square, it is an x square. What is the opposite side? Your opposite side is 7. So 7 square. What is the adjacent side? Here 24. So 24 square. So what now? What is the value for 7 square? My value for 7 square is 49. What is the value for 24? The 24 square is, your 24 is 576. 576. So if I add, what I will get? X square is equal to, you will get 625. What I have to do? I have to get what is the value for x. So here I am taking the square root on both the side. If I take the square root, what I will get? X is equal to square root of 625, which is equal to 25 centimeter. So my x value is equal to 25 centimeter. Now I know what is the value for AB and BC, which was given in a question. Now I found out what is the value for AC. Now what we have to do? First we have to find out what is the value for sine A and cos A. Now what I have to do? Just I have to find the value for sine A and cos A. First one is sine A and cos A. So what is the formula to calculate sine A? Sine A is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Here the BC represents the opposite side. Just I am simply writing as an BC. What is the opposite side? Your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse has been represented by AC. So I am writing sine A is equal to BC by AC. So what is the value for BC here? The value for BC is equal to, the value for BC is 7. And what is the value for AC? The value for AC is 25. So sine A is equal to 7 by 25. Now I have to find out what is the value for cos A. What is the formula for cos A? The formula is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is the AB representing the adjacent side? So I can write AB divided by hypotenuse side is AC. So I can write 24 divided by 25. So now we have found out the sine A and cos A. Now we have to find out what is the value for sine C and cos C. So here they mentioned as C. So what we have to do? We have to represent the C with respect to theta. So here what I am going to do is, now I am going to change the diagram little bit, because they clearly mentioned as sin C and cos C. That means we have to mention the C, the theta has to be represented with respect to C. So I am going to rearrange the points in the diagram, because they mentioned as sin C and cos C. So your theta has to be represented with respect to C. Now I am redrawing the diagram once again, because B point will be right angle. So I am just rearranging it. C, B and A. What is the AB? The AB is equal to 24. And then what is my BC value? BC is equal to 7. What is the AC? AC is none other than your hypotenuse. That value is equal to 25 centimeter. Now in my second subdivision, what I supposed to find? I have to find what is the sin C. What is the formula for sin C? The formula for sin C is opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is the opposite here? AB divided by AC. So I'll get the value as 24 divided by 25. Now I have to write the value for cos C. Cos C is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. My adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So the value will be equal to 7 divided by 25. That's it.
If you have any queries, mention in the comments below or mail us at the next step 15519@gmail.com. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe Next Steps. Ring the bell as well. Bye. See you soon.